We at GreenBone are developing an innovative material derived from natural wood, able to regenerate a large portion of the skeleton damaged by trauma, cancer, or any other cause. It's the first time that this can be achieved. This patient having such large bone damage doesn't have any regenerative solution available apart from self-bone transplantation, which has a lot of limitation on its own. We are now ready to start 2 clinical trials. The first one will be conducted in UK on large damage of the iliac crest, and the second one it will be conducted in Italy, Israel, Switzerland, and UK for large bone damage caused mainly by trauma and non-union. These studies will be completed mid-2020, so we expect to be able to launch the product by the end of 2020. The idea and the technology was originally conceived at one institute of the Italian National Research Council, which is located in Faenza, a small town just 30-minute driving south of Bologna. It's a public institution with a lot of knowledge in ceramic material, and our bone is from a chemical point of view, a ceramic-based material. And so they have been the leader of a European-funded project that had the ambition to look into nature, finding inspiration to identify innovative product, innovative material, not only able to be integrated in the body, and biocompatible, but with the capacity to trigger the regeneration process and able to sustain for a long time this purpose. And this is the only way we can achieve complete regeneration of large bone portion and give patients the opportunity to return to their normal life without limitation. Well, we are really door to door. And this was fundamental because this creates an osmosis between the research having all the know-how at the beginning and the company that has the goal to industrialize the process, complete the clinical development, and move the product to the market. So we are combining our view on a daily basis in order to improve the material as much as possible, and of course to speed the process into development and commercialization as fast as possible. So GreenBone started at the mid of 2014 as a startup company. We raised in 3 years 11.5 million euro into round, a seed round of 3 million plus a round A of 8.5 million. And all the money came from venture capital. So it's a pure risk investment by venture capital that are focused on healthcare, and they have the right competencies to support an innovative product like us. As I briefly mentioned before, 2020 is our target to be able to introduce the product into the market for the first couple of indications. Then at that stage, being a startup funded by venture capital, we will look for partnership with big companies that will be able to push the commercialization of the product very rapidly in all the most important markets. That means Europe, US, and some countries of the Asia Pacific territory. So we made a market estimation and a large key opinion leader interview both in Europe and US. Bioactive product for bone regeneration are really a key objective to achieve, and the market potential is huge. The expectation is to be above $500 million just combining Europe and US.